Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and I have a very special call for you today. I'm here with my friend Chris. But before we do that and show you this awesome car that he has and tell you the story behind it, I want you to hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button, and leave any comments down below after you see the video because we have an awesome car here. So Chris, why don't you just tell us a little bit about the story about the car, and then basically then we'll show them the car.
So basically bought the car in '03 with my wife and the intentions of restoring it together, weekend project. But, you know, over time, kids, wife, houses, cars, you know, life just happened, wasn't able to afford to do everything, so it wound up in my mom's backyard for probably 20 years.
I was sitting there rotting away. I used to look
Rotting
at
away,
it, dreaming about this day, you know, of you getting it to where it is now.
For 20 years. Unfortunately, my wife passed away, so wasn't able to, you know, finish the project with her. So I finally able to do something. I'm gonna have a little bit of orange put on it, which was her favorite color, for a little dedication towards her, because she was supposed to do this car with me. And, you know, I'm glad to finally have it back. It's supposed to be in Florida full time, but I want to get my hands on it and do some work on it myself, you know, not just pay a guy. So
what we're going to do, guys, we're going to help him with the car, and also the car was shipped down to Florida a year and a half ago. All the body work was done, all the metal work was done, and
engine rebuilt.
A matching number car, guys, which is really cool. And let's share it to them and let's show them the car. Check it out, guys. So what do we got here, Chris?
So this is a 1969 Firebird, 350 engine, numbers matching. Pop the hood for you. Let me scoop by you.
So guys, I know about this car for 20 years. I used to see it sitting in the yard. I'm like, Chris, when are we going to do the car? When are we going to do the car? And we always talked about it, and here it is. It was fully rebuilt motor, 350 4-barrel, matching number car to the car. All the metal work was done. Any upgrades? I see the aluminum radiator.
Yes. Has aluminum radiator, has a mild cam, 30 over engine. I did take the transmission out because it was just a power glide. So that's a 400 turbo now. So that's about it. You know, trying to keep it just pretty much stock, except it's 30 over.
Okay. Change the transmission, original rear in the car. We do have the original transmission if you know ever want to put it back to the power glide.
Right.
And but just want a little more kick out of it. And this car is laser straight, guys. This car is beautiful. It does run, but we're gonna, you know, start it in the next couple of weeks. Once it gets a little warmer here where we are, but we're gonna do a little project, and I'm gonna film the progression of this car. We're gonna have a few of the boys from where we're from help Chris out and get this car back on the road, and then we're gonna drive it south back down to Florida. And I told Chris I'll volunteer my time and have a great trip back. But this car, guys, is absolutely beautiful. 1969 Firebird Convertible, 17-inch upgraded rims, low profile tires. This car is dynamite, guys. And I'm literally a year and a half waiting for this car to get back. Unfortunately, I was in New York City when it got delivered. I was waiting for it, and I wanted to take it, you know, take a picture of it coming off the outside the trailer. It was an enclosed trailer, but I just want to share with you guys what this car looks like before and after. Please hit that subscribe button. Please follow the restoration or the finishing touches on this car. You're gonna put a black convertible top on here, right?
Black top, yes.
The interior, we're waiting to come. It's gonna be coming in an hour. We're gonna do the black interior with the houndstooth inserts, because down in Florida it gets a little hot. Thought about doing the black vinyl, triple black, but the thing is that it would be a little too hot for our little butts down in Florida and our backs. So this car is literally straight tier 1, guys. All new.
And full masters.
Full master exhaust you got?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be great. I can't wait to get this car on the road, because just as long, this is his, you know, very special to him and his family. I know about this car a long time, and we always would talk about it because, you know, and I'm like, he's like, Jerry B would send me pictures of it down in Florida getting restored, and, you know, now it's here. So, guys, again, like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, Jerry Middleman Taglia, my childhood friend Chris here, and also hit that bell notification, subscribe, leave any comments down below, and we're going to get this beautiful 69 Pontiac Firebird Convertible on the road for the family. And follow us, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.